Hello again, amazing English learners. Have you ever been lost in a new city? You have the map on your phone, but you still don't know which way to go?
No English?
Wait, you speak English?
English, please.
English.
It happens to everyone. But today, you will learn exactly what to say. In this video, you will listen, learn vocabulary, and practice speaking for asking directions. Let's meet our two friends, Luca and Sarah.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
I am looking for the Central Museum.
The Central Museum? Sure.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
Thank you.
First, go straight down this street.
Okay, go straight?
Yes. Then turn left at the traffic lights.
Then turn left?
You will see a big blue building. It's on your left.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
That was a perfect and polite conversation. Now, let's grab some very useful words and phrases from it. We have 5 new ones for you today. Number 1, I am looking for. This is the perfect phrase to say what you are trying to find.
I am looking for a job.
I'm looking for a new bride.
From the conversation, I am looking for the Central Museum.
I am looking for the Central Museum.
Another example, I am looking for a good restaurant. Number 2, is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
A very important question to know the distance. From the conversation, is it far from here? Another example, is the train station far from here?
Is it far from here?
Number 3, go straight.
Now you go straight for 4 blocks.
This means to continue in the same direction without turning. From the conversation, first, go straight down this street. Another example, go straight for 2 blocks.
First, go straight down this street.
Number 4, you will see.
You will see a restaurant called Albert's.
When you arrive at the airport, you will see a whole line of yellow cabs.
We use this to point out a landmark that is coming up. From the conversation, then you will see a big blue building. Another example, you will see a supermarket on the corner.
You will see a big blue building. It's on your left.
Number 5, it's on your left or right.
It's on your right.
Then straight shot through Dorney and it's on your left.
This is the essential phrase for telling the position of a place. From the conversation, it's on your left. Another example, the bank is on your right. Fantastic! You are learning such practical English. Okay, your turn. Time for shadowing practice. Remember, listen and repeat like a parrot to improve your fluency. First, we'll practice with Luca. His voice will be muted. Speak his lines and be the tourist. Let's go.
Yes, of course. The Central Museum? Sure. No, it's not far. First, go straight down this street. Yes. Then turn left at the traffic lights. You will see a big blue building. It's on your left. You're welcome.
Excellent work! Now, let's switch. This time, Sarah is muted. Your turn to be the helpful local. Let's do this.
Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for the Central Museum. Is it far from here? Thank you. Okay, go straight. Then turn left. Thank you so much for your help.
You did it again! You're having full conversations in English. You are becoming so confident. Remember, every time you practice, you get better. Watch this video again and try to sound even more natural next time. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to English Fox and hit the bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Tell us in the comments, what place are you looking for? Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!